Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we are going to discuss about a topic that some parents might find a little tricky. How to have a conversation with your kids when they ask about how babies are formed. It's important to answer their question in a way that they can understand and feel comfortable with. So let's dive in. One day your child comes and asks, "Mommy, Daddy, how do babies come into the world?" It can be surprising, but it's actually a great opportunity for an open and honest conversation. The first thing to remember is to keep it simple and age appropriate. Well, sweetheart, we can explain it in a way that makes sense to you. You know how mommy and daddy have a special kind of love for each other? It's a love that's so strong, it creates something amazing, like a baby. Really? Tell me more. Sure. When mummies and daddies decide they want to have a baby, a tiny seed from daddy and a special place called egg from mummy come together. It's like a puzzle that fits perfectly, and when they join, start to grow into a baby inside mummy's tummy. Wow, you mean like magic? Yes, it may seem like magic, but it's actually a natural and beautiful process. As the baby grows, the mummy takes very good care of it until it's ready to come out and join her family. How does the baby come out? That's a great question. When the baby is all grown up and ready, mummy goes to a special place called hospital, where doctors and nurses help the baby come out safely. They make sure mummy and the baby are comfortable and take good care of them. It sounds amazing, mummy. It really is, sweetheart. Bringing a new life into the world is a wonderful and joyous thing. And when the baby arrives, we'll all be so happy to have them as a part of our family. Thank you, mummy, for explaining it to me. You're welcome, my love. Remember, my dear parents, it's important to approach these conversations with love and openness. By keeping it simple and using age-appropriate language, we can help our children understand the beautiful miracle of life. And thank you for joining us today. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and share it with other parents. And subscribe to our channel for more helpful content. Until next time, take care and keep those conversations flowing.